Prepare 8 pieces of strips, as a tree. 5 pieces as a cross. First, put 8 pieces of strips on the table. Take the cross, as a cross. Each piece, each piece, each piece. Continue weaving this section. Put 8 pieces of strips on the table. Continue weaving this section. Put the strips on the table, as a cross. Put the strips on the table, as a cross. Press the strip, as a cross. Then, take the second piece, as a cross. We just picked the strips, as a cross. Now, let's switch to the table. Pick the strip, as a cross. Continue weaving this section. Continue weaving this section. Pick the strip, as a cross. Put the strip, as a cross. Press the strip, as a cross. Put the strip, as a cross. The second piece. The third piece. Repeat the first piece. The first piece, as a cross. Continue weaving this section. Pick the strip, as a cross. The second piece. Continue weaving this section. Now, the third piece. The same as the first piece. Pick the strip, as a cross. Continue weaving this section. Pick the strip, as a cross. Like this. Continue. The same as the second piece. The same. Continue weaving this section. 1, 3, 5, 7, and now we pick one of them. This one, and this one, just spread it out. Alright, pick another one. Take another one. We are now being picked up. Now we are in the double speed. Continue weaving this section. Continue weaving this section. Continue weaving this section. Continue weaving this section. Pick it up and put this honeycomb in. After it's been done, we are going to put this honeycomb in. This side. Let it cool. This side is about 10. This side is 9. So we are going to pull this side over. Pull it over. Pull it over here. Pull it over here. Pull everyone over. Pull it over here. This side is 10. This side is also 10. Then we are going to put this whole bottle. This side is a little uneven. So we are going to pull this bottle over. Pull it over here. This side is also a little bit up. Pull this one over here. This side is a little bit up. Pull the bottle over this side. This side is about 10. Okay, put the whole honeycomb. Continue weaving this section. 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 Take a rubber band and tie it up. You go first. I'll go first. This side is done. Turn it over. Turn it over here. It is also the same operation. Take the middle two. One side, fold it up. The body is already out. Fold it up. Fold it up and tie the rubber band up. Continue weaving this section. The body is out. Turn it over. Turn it over. Take the middle one. This side is the same operation. Take the middle one. Fold it up. Fold it up. Fold it up. This side. This side is up. Take the other side. Fold it up. Fold it up. This side. It is also the same operation. Fold it up. Fold it up. Fold it up. Continue weaving this section. Continue weaving this section. Fold it up. Take the rope and tie it up. Here is the balance. The adjustment. The adjustment is done. The shape of the boat is out. Take the rope. Take the rope. When you turn it to this side. Take the bandage. Put it like this. Put the thread. Put it on the right side. Fold it up, fold it up. Fold it up, fold it up. Fold it up, put the thread on the right side. Fold it up. This is the long strip. Fold it up. Fold it up, press it. Press it. Start to tie it up. Tie it up. Put it on the right side. Pull it up. Turn it around. Turn it around. Tie it up to this length. Turn it over. Put it on the right side. Put it on the right side. Put it on the right side. Pull it straight. Pull it up. Pull it up. This is the end. After tying it up, cut off the excess bandage. This is done.